Very good morning. So are we all ready with page? Yes, good morning, good morning. So are we all ready with the textbook? Give me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to switch on your microphone. Show me thumbs up. Yes. Now open page number 62.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
now it
ma'am.
is coming.
Okay. So you have to open the
Ma'am,
page
it is
number.
not visible.
You go to present screen. Swati ma'am, my page is visible. Children, my page is visible. Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
I'll again.
ma'am.
Okay. Now see. We have done about this loan, right? Babu and they were taking the loan. Then we have discussed this. Now we will go. How much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? That is on your page number 62. Here you can see on my screen also it's written. How much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? What we will do for here it is given the information which is given to us is okay, Samriddhi, will you read what is written over here? My cursor is here. For one rickshaw,
Ma'am, when for
for one rickshaw,
one rickshaw, she gets rupees 20 per day. So,
read,
for
continue.
9
Yes.
rickshaws, she will earn rupees dash.
So what you will do, see if the value of 1 is given, the one day she is earning rupees 20. So 9 days she will earn how much? What you
Ma'am,
will do?
can
Addition,
I say?
subtraction. Wait a minute. Which operation you will apply here? Addition,
Ma'am,
subtraction,
can I say?
multiplication or division? I will tell the child name, that child only will answer me. Jahan Agarwal. Jahan Agarwal. Please answer me. Switch on your mic and please answer me which operation we will apply here. We will apply multiplication, division, addition. You are there in the class, Jahan Agarwal?
Multiplication. Ma'am, multiplication.
Jahan Agarwal is speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, multiplication. Jahan, can you tell me what will be the answer after multiplying? And which two numbers or which three numbers or which numbers you will multiply? Yes, Jahan. My next question is from you only. Which numbers you will multiply? Can you hear
Ma'am,
me,
can
Jahan?
I say?
Yes,
Ma'am, can
Samriddhi.
I say?
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, it will plus 20.
Plus 20. With which number?
What, ma'am?
What are you
For
going to do?
one
Which operation you will apply here? First addition, plus or multiplication?
addition,
Addition. Which two numbers you will add?
uh, 20 plus 9.
Why you are doing addition here?
Ma'am, because it is when, ma'am, wait a minute.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
Samriddhi.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I
Let it continue with the Samriddhi only. Please switch off your microphone, other children.
Ma'am,
Yes, Samriddhi.
we will plus like 20. We will plus like this, we will plus.
Okay. So will it taking the times? Yes. And you can tell me the other way also. 20 plus 29 times you will do
Ma'am, can
addition
I
of
say?
20. Yes.
Ma'am, can I
Yeah,
say?
ma'am.
Let
Ma'am,
me
20.
clear, my dear. Let me clear with Samriddhi.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Children,
Can
if
I say?
Samriddhi is there online, then why other children are saying, can I say? Now, can I stop? If you know the answer, you write in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Samriddhi, tell me.
Ma'am, like we can also do multiplication.
Yes, so we can say that multiplication is a repeated
20
addition
multiplied
also.
by 9.
Yes, so what will be the answer? 20 multiplied by 9?
Wait a minute.
And you all have learned the
One,
shortcut method on
180, man.
some
180.
multiplication. Yes,
180.
180. So write the answer in your box blank which is given.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Lama, what is this 18088?
No, ma'am, it happened by mistake.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear, tell me.
Riddhi,
Yes,
as
Riddhi.
you
Stop
yesterday you
messaging
had,
children now. Please stop.
ma'am, yesterday you had taught us column method.
Yes.
So if the now
Please stop
we
messaging,
are
my
doing
dear.
multiply and we can multiply with column method.
Yes,
Like
you can multiply this number also with the column method. 20 multiplied by
we
9.
have to multiply 9 by 20. So
Yes.
when we do 9 by 2, it will
Yes.
come 18. 9 by 0, it will be 0. So 18 plus 0 will be 18.
You are not going to add here. You are here only having one column and one row. Because
Excuse me, ma'am. I don't know it happened by mistake. So,
it's okay. It's okay, Lama. Please stop messaging, children. Please stop messaging. If I'll keep on reading the messaging, how I will reply to the other children? Yes, Riddhi. Riddhi, here you have only one column which is of 20, right? 20
Yeah.
you will not expand, right? You cannot expand, split the 20. You will write 20 and in the row you will write 9. Yes? Can I
Yeah.
show you on the board?
Yeah.
If it is 20 multiplied by 9, can you all see my board clearly?
Yeah, ma'am.
So if you do it in this column method, you only split 20 in the 20, only 20 will not be able to split, right? And 9 also will be 9. So you will not have two columns here. So you will have only 20 and 9. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So 9 into 2 is 18 and 9 into 0 is 0. So
Okay,
now
ma'am,
which other numbers you are going to add? Here is no option for adding. Only this box answer is your final answer. Yes. And we have learned some mathematical tricks where you were directly multiplying the number with the number. 9
No,
into 2.
I know that, but I have a confusion in
Now
that
clear?
column. Yeah.
ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, if there is 21, so we have to expand like that 20
Yes,
plus
then you have
1.
to 20 plus 1. You have to expand that number 20 plus 1. Okay.
Then there will, yes, then there will be
Vihan, wait
one
a
more
minute.
column.
Ma'am,
Vihan, wait.
and the number.
Vihan, wait. Let me listen to Rudra first. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, if it is 21, so there will be one more box at top.
Yes, then the column will be extended because the number is extending. Yes, yes or no? The
Yes.
number 21 is, we are splitting into two parts, 20 plus 1. So the as in when we are splitting the numbers, that many columns we have to make. For one is for 20 and one is for 1. And if it is here only 9, then it's okay. First we multiply 9 into 20 is 180 and 9 ones are 9. Then you will add, the answer will be different. Then you add
Okay,
these two numbers. Yes, next child Vihan, tell me.
Ma'am, the number that ends with 0 that cannot be expanded.
Yes, you will not able to expand that number which is and with the 0. Clear? Yes, Riddhi. Want to say something?
Dalal.
Or can I proceed?
Ma'am, Dhyan Dalal.
Yes, Dhyan, tell me.
Ma'am, I am telling that if there is a number 213
Yes.
into 12, so how we will make it column method?
13 and 12. So please split this number first. 13. Dhyan Dalal. 10 plus 3. And split this also.
10 plus 2.
10 plus 2. So how you will arrange it in the column? 10 and 3 will go here and 10 and 2 will come here.
Oh,
Understood?
yes. Ma'am, I'm very understandable and I'm very clear with the column method now.
Very good. Yes, Samriddhi. Yes, Samriddhi. Switch on your microphone and speak.
Ma'am, I was asking that if there is digit 29 multiplied by 9. So how will we multiply? There was a technology issue, so I was not listen anything.
You have learned yesterday column method.
What,
How
ma'am? Your
to
voice
split?
is not coming. Wait a minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now tell.
Yesterday you have learned column method.
Yeah,
How
ma'am.
to split and how to expand the number.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, this way you can also do. Right? 20 plus 29 will
Yeah,
be
ma'am,
expanded.
but
20 plus
Ma'am,
9.
I am only asking a column method. I had take a. My mother had given me 3 words. That was 29 multiplied by 9. So I
Yes.
can't understand how to take by column method.
See, I will explain you here. "29 multiplied by 9, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So first you will split the numbers, both the sides, multiplier and multiplicand, both the numbers you have to split. Yes.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
29, will you able to split this or expand? Both the words can be used, right? Split
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
number or expand the number. Will you
Expand.
able to expand this?
Yeah, ma'am. 20 and 9.
20 plus 9, right?
Yeah.
This is the expanded form of 29.
Yeah, ma'am.
Is there any expanded form of 9?
No, ma'am.
So now when you make the column and rows, so how many columns you will make?
3.
3. Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
How many rows you will make?
2.
2. Right? What I will write here? I will write something here.
Yeah, no, ma'am.
What I will write here in this box?
20.
20. And in this box?
9.
9. Here in this box?
9.
9. Then what I will do next?
First, we will multiply 9 into 20.
What will come here?
And 9 ones are 9. 180.
180. What will come here in the next box?
We will multiply 9 into 9.
Yes. What will be the 9?
81.
9 nines are 81. Now what will be the next steps after filling these columns?
We will plus 180, 81.
Yes, the boxes which we have filled, right? These two
Yeah.
boxes we have filled. This is the information which is already given to us. But the boxes which is filled by us are these two boxes. So when
Yeah.
we add these two boxes, 180 plus 81, tell me the answer. Add this and tell me what will
1.
be the answer.
First is 1.
Yes.
8 plus 8. 16.
What I will write here?
16.
Six.
And 1 up.
Yeah.
Now here
Ma'am,
261. So our answer is 261.
261.
Now got it, Samriddhi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Can we move ahead? Yes or no, children? Okay. Please show me thumbs up. Can we move ahead with the another topic? Yes. Now
Yes,
on your
ma'am.
page number 63. Everyone open page number 63, please. Again, I am showing you my screen. I will also open this page number 63. We have already done this sums and discussed also yesterday in our class. Yes or no? Children?
Yes.
Yes. Now, page number 63, come down with the another question. How much to pay for his junk? This is on your page number 63. Yes, Lamha. Lamha, start reading what is written here. Lamha,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading what is written on page number 63, the below part.
In a week,
No.
how much
Yes, how much?
Kiran earned from one rickshaw?
You are on which page number?
Ma'am, 63.
How much to pay for his junk? Can you see here something which is on my screen? Is your page the same?
ma'am, he's
Yes.
reading the top. Ma'am, I cannot see your screen only.
Okay.
Ma'am, can't see your screen.
My screen is not visible.
No, ma'am.
Not visible. Ma'am, it is visible.
Okay.
Perfectly.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, it
Go
is
to
not
present
visible.
Renu Punjabi screen and
Renu ma'am, it is visible.
okay, thank you, ma'am. So, children, it is written. You have to read from here, Lamha. Read from my screen.
Yeah, ma'am, just a minute.
Yes.
Yeah, now I
I
got your
cannot see your screen only.
Yeah, ma'am, I got your screen.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also got it.
Yes,
Ma'am, you hadn't presented your screen.
Kiran
I have
has got.
presented my screen.
Ma'am, may I start?
You didn't present.
Ma'am, may I start?
Wait a minute. Yet, my dear, what happened? Tell me. What happened? I have already presented.
May I start the reading?
Amma, you wait. Let me clear with other children. What happened, children? You go to present screen and you can easily able to see my screen. I'm again
Ma'am, I
showing
can't.
Ma'am, I can't see your present scene only.
Ma'am, I can't.
I don't see it in my.
again I'm going to present this. Just check. Now check.
Got it.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
Ma'am, not.
No.
I cannot see. And we cannot see the present screen.
Okay, my dear. Again I will log out. Again I will stop presenting, and again I will present you. You should have some patience.
But I can see.
Renu ma'am, it is page number 63, the down part, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, may I start?
And now.
Okay. Yes, Lama, start.
Kiran has bought some junk from junk collectors. Look at the next page, the rate list 2. See the today's rate.
Lama, yes, look at the next page. Yes, read.
Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper?
Yes. So what this is showing, children, can you tell me?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Okay. Look at the rate list to see today's rates. Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk.
Hello, ma'am.
Because
Ma'am?
Kiran here, yes.
Ma'am?
Kiran here is, yes, my dear. Tell me after ma'am, you have to tell what the problem you are facing.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Farzan, tell me.
Ma'am? Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Which child is this? Karnav or Farzan?
Ma'am, call now.
Swati ma'am, my voice is clear. Am I audible to everyone?
155.
And your voice is
Swati ma'am, I'm
breaking
not audible
here.
to you. Your mic is off. Swati ma'am, your mic is off. Swati ma'am, your mic is still off. Still cannot hear you. Your mic.
Initially. Your voice was breaking initially. Am I
Okay.
audible?
Yes, yes.
But now it is all right.
Rahel said
Am I
properly.
audible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, children, now look here. I'm going to explain you. As we know that we have already learned and we have studied that the Kiran is in this chapter is she is a junk sailor. So she will deal in the junk only, right? So look up the rate list to see today's rates. Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? So when we go to the junk sailor, you must have seen that there the junk sailors keep a rate list, right? If you have gone to with your parents or mother, father sometime, right? Not always. If any of the time must be you have visited to the junk sailor, what do you see there? Yes, Amriti.
Junk.
Junk means the waste material is there. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is also is the one thing that you see there. What else you can see at the junk sailor? Your mother.
Selling junk.
Yes, Yekansh is telling me something. Anvi, you want to tell?
Ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, the people are
Weight machine
selling
is there.
junk.
Yes, people are selling junk. And Anvi, what happened? Your mother or father, whosoever will go with you to give the junk to the junk sailor. Yes. That is my point. I want to explain you that. Yes, newspapers, junk material. You all, please switch off your microphone, everyone. So you all see the junk material, the junk waste material there. The junk sailor keep, but
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
yes. So your mother or father, whosoever is going with you to the junk sailor to give the waste material to them, so they are keep on asking them that how much is the price of newspaper, how much you will take for 1 kg newspaper, how much you take 1 kg iron. So for that convenience, the junk sailor keep rate list, not to tell each and every person again and again about the rate list. They keep the rate, they have written on the board. Some keep the printed boards, right? So on that boards, they are writing, it's written there about the price list of their material which they are going to take. And we read the price and then accordingly we give them. Okay, they have written like 1 kg newspaper is for rupees 12, or 2 kg newspaper or 2 kg iron is for rupees this. So they are keeping the rate list written there and accordingly they give us the price after weighing that material. Sometimes the weight or do know according to 1 kg, 500 grams it is, that we have learned in our chapter how to weighing the things. So now let's see, the rate list is given here. In your books also it's given. The waste paper is of rupees 4. Newspaper is of rupees 5. Iron, this is the rate list of per kg. Are you getting me? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
Ma'am,
This
what is brass?
brass is a metal, right? Like iron, copper, silver. Brass is also one metal, right? And plastic. So they are writing, and this price list is differ from every junk seller to junk seller. Some give less price, some gives us high price. It's depend to every junk seller, and there is not much changes in their prices, only very less changes. Some give waste paper for 5 rupees, some gives 4 rupees, some give 3 rupees. It depends on the junk seller to junk seller, because it's ultimately a profit for them. If they give us 4 rupees 1 kg, but they will resell it again, the waste paper, to another industry or the another person at 6 rupees also. So that is the profit and loss which we will learn in our next topic.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
So that is the profit and loss which we will learn.
Ma'am,
in
your
our
voice is
next
not
topic.
coming.
Okay, I'll try my best, my dear children.
Ma'am, please write in chat box what you are saying. Ma'am, your voice is coming.
Samriddhi, sometimes maybe you also switch off.
Mama, not coming.
You switch off your microphone and switch on. Maybe then you will able to listen it properly. I will also try this. Okay. So this is the price list given. Now, how much will Kiran pay for?
Ma'am, I've
42?
pinned to your screen, but I can't see your presentation screen.
Again, it is the problem you all are facing.
It is coming only the rate list and everything what I pointed in the book is coming blank.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Clear, but presentation cannot be seen.
Ma'am, just now I removed. It's okay.
Otherwise, everything is clear.
Just check, Swati ma'am.
It is clear for me at least. Very clear.
Okay.
Yeah, now
Children,
it is
please
clear.
check now. So how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? Now you can check the rate list. 1 kg is rupees 5. How much will be the price of 42 kg newspapers? Please multiply it quickly and tell me the answer. Please multiply 42 with 5, because here,
Ma'am,
here 210. Can everyone please check and tell me the answer? No, it's not like this, ma'am.
160.
42 multiplied by, because here in the rate list it's written the newspaper per kg is rupees 5 and 42 kg newspaper she sold. So 42 multiplied by 5, when you multiply this, 5 2s are 10, 1 will go here, 5 4s are 20 plus 1.
210.
210. Okay. Yes. So you have to be quick, children, in this calculation. Now also find the cost of 22 kg plastic faster. Tell me the cost of 22 kg plastic. Plastic is per kg. How much is written here?
Ma'am, 220.
Yes. Very good. 220. Just only you have to add 10 at the back. Next is 23 kg of waste paper. Waste paper 4 kg, 4 rupees per kg. Multiply it with 23.
Ma'am, 92.
4 3s are 12. 2 here, 1 will go here, 4 2s are 8, 1 9. 92. 92 will be the answer. Next is 12 kg of iron. What is the cost of 1 kg iron?
Ma'am, 144.
Very good. Ayansh, you are doing the calculations mentally?
144, ma'am.
Yes or no, Ayansh? Ayansh, try this by your own also. Yes?
Ma'am, I am doing it by my own.
Yes, 12 into 12 is? Ashvi, stop playing with the mobile or stop doing calculation on mobile. Yes. You are done? Okay. Now, here, guess the total money. Total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? So, we have calculated for newspaper. 42 into 5 is 210. Then we have calculated for plastic 220. Then we have calculated 92 for waste paper. Then we have calculated for iron, which is 144. Add them. Is it more than 600 or less than 600? Please find out the answer and
More
tell
than,
me.
ma'am, more than 600.
More than 600. Let me check. Let me check.
1 plus also the answer plus 55.
Okay, let me check. We will check the answers here. So 222, 92, when you add these, so the answer is 666 when you add 210, 220, 92 and 144. So it is more than or less than?
Ma'am,
Yes.
More than.
More than.
More than 666.
Yes, it's more than 600.
6 more than.
Yeah, 66 more than, right? How much more than?
66.
Yes. Now we moving ahead with the next question. Come on, the next. Smart Kiran sells the junk. Kiran sells her junk to a big shop. She checks the prices on a mobile phone and sells only when she gets a good price. So because she is not much educated, so she checks on a mobile also. Today she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron. Yes, Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, all the students and including you and Swati ma'am are stuck.
What happened?
In my screen, you, including Swati ma'am and all the children are stuck.
It's okay, maybe
They are not
connectivity problem.
moving.
It's maybe
Yes.
a connectivity issue.
Connection problem.
Yes.
That is your connection problem.
Okay.
Happens when the net runs slow.
So today she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron, and brass. You know that
Stop dancing, Varna.
these junk sailors, they don't keep the waste material with them. They have to again resell it for the reuse, right? For recycling it, these waste material. So Dhinu weighed 32 kg iron, 4 kg brass, 152 kg newspaper, 63 kg plastic. Now again there is one list is given on the next page, number 65. Now that question we have done mentally, right? This question we are going to do with the column method, which we have already done. So it means we are revising or recalling our topics which we have learned about how to solve the multiplications.
So, the cost of.
Yes, how much will Dinu pay for 63 kg plastic? So now here she is going to do the calculation how much Dinu will pay for 63 kg plastic. So what is the cost of per kg plastic in this list, children? I don't want that you should be silent when the teacher asks the question.
Ma'am,
I want you should be answerable.
you are? Ma'am, 12 rupees.
It's everything given in your textbook. You should please go through with the textbook also. What is written here? Rahel, sit properly. We are not in yoga class.
Ma'am, plastic is rupees 12 per kg.
Yes, plastic is rupees 12 per kg. And how many kgs he sold the plastic? Can you see in your textbook? Don't depend on the screen. Please look into your textbook. How many kgs of plastic she sold?
Ma'am,
63 kg.
63. Ayansh, switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. 63 kg. And 1 kg plastic is how much?
12.
12. So what will be the cost now? How much he will earn or pay?
756.
63 multiplied by 12. Please.
756.
12.
And that you will do with the column method. Specifically, I'm telling you, do it with the column method.
60 and 3. 12, 6.
And please show me your notebook column method. Do it with the column method and show me. Jahan Agarwal, I know it's time up. Please do not remind me again and again.
Column method.
Ma'am, the column method we have to do in rough book or in maths book.
Do it in rough book or notebook, whichever the notebook you have right now with you. Please do it with column method and show me. Jahan, Ayansh, stop eating in class. Please do this with column method and show me.
Ma'am, it is 756.
Please show me. Show me your notebook.
Nothing. I done it correctly.
But show me in the notebook.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Okay. You have done with the proper method?
Yeah.
Very good.
Column method.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Page number.
Samriddhi, what is written in the textbook, page number 65? Page number 65.
Multiplied by 63.
Do it with which method?
Column method.
Yes.
156.
Do it with column method and show me.
Ma'am,
Yes, I can see
156.
see at the
Rudra
corner.
Mangokia is showing me. Swati ma'am, you can leave. No problem. Thank you.
156.
Okay.
Corner of here.
60 into 10. Very good. And 600. 10 into 3 is 30. 2 into 120 and 6. Yes. So, Rudra, what is the total? Tuisha, I cannot hear you. If you want to speak something, I am not hearing you.
Ma'am,
Rudra Mangokia, please look at me now. Keep your notebook down. Rudra, now tell me what is the total? Yes, Ayush, I can see you. Please show me properly.
ma'am, here.
Ayush, yes, I can. Little up. Bring it more closer. Yes. Have you done the total also?
Yes, ma'am, it's written on the corner.
Very good. Yes. Now, Vihan, show me. Isha, show me.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. No one will leave without showing me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
done.
Yes, I can see Samriddhi. Yes. Fazan, show me.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me that you have done this with the column method or not. Show me, Karnav. Farzan, Karnav, I will not leave you without this. You will not leave the class without showing me. Please, Ayush, switch off your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
So this way we have done today our textbook exercises. No child will leave without showing me. Those who have already shown me their work, they can leave. Thank you for today's class.